Spring Affirmations to Say Aloud by Reverend Erin McCabe for Unity Youth and Family Ministries. Jesus showed us how to be kind, brave, and full of light. He showed us that even when things feel dark, we can rise up, share love, and shine bright. Say it out loud. I shine my light just like Jesus.
I shine my light just like Jesus.
Love lives in me.
Love lives in me.
I rise up with kindness and joy.
I rise up with kindness and joy.
I am brave. I am bright. I am loved.
I am brave. I am bright. I'm loved.
Today and every day, remember, you are brave. You are light in the world. Love lives in you.